The JUBB Scriber is the same as the UBB Scriber, but just a bigger version. Has the same clamping system, which is a brass pin with a hole in it. In this case it's a 1/2 inch hole. That fits in the body of the Scriber, and you have a thumb screw, and as you tighten the thumb screw up, it clamps the marking tool against the top of the hole, and that's a very strong clamping system. The normal position for the Scriber is with the pivot bolt in the middle of the body, which is that bottom hole, and that hole at the top in the cradle. But as you can see, you can position the body up and down using the various holes, and you can also flip the body 180 degrees so that the marking tool is above the pivot point, whereas in that position it's below the pivot point. Now when you flip it 180 degrees, the thumb screw will catch on the base of the Scriber, so you have to swap over to a cap head bolt, which is that, and that's provided with the Scriber. The reason why there are various different holes is that some marking tools work better when they are parallel with the base of the Scriber. So by having various holes you can move the body up and down to get the best position with the marking tool as parallel to the base as possible. So this is the body set up in the cradle as high as it'll go, and in that position you can scribe up to about 85mm, something like that. And if you need to go more than that, you have the option of screwing a block onto the base. So there are a couple of holes, countersunk holes, that you can use for that. Here are some examples of the different marking tools that you can use with this Scriber. Starting with the standard pencil, you can use a biro pen, Sharpie pen, and you can also use craft knives. Now this is a Japanese marking knife, and as you can see it's not a round handle, so you can still hold anything as long as it fits in a 1/2 inch hole. If you can use a scribing pen for scribing tiles, and you can also fit a scribing wheel, and this is off a tile cutter.